Okay, so ERXGen Breakout system this morning. Let's three opportunities today: GBP, USD, EuroCAD, and USD CHF. So let's set us our pending orders. So GBP, USD. So see now. So I'm gonna set the pending order. First of all, what's my risk gonna be? Wow, the risk on GBP USD is quite wide. So 98 pips, about 100 pips. So I go to the risk management tool, 100 pips, GBP USD. I'm only happy to do, this is test, just 1% on the of risk. So calculate. So it's 0.03. But if I said I wanted to go 3%, and I calculate, so that's 0.1. So I'll be risking 66, almost $67 on 3%. But let's go somewhere in the middle, just to give you an idea. 0.07. So I come back to this, and I now set, I'm using 0.07 lot size. So 0.07. So you can see I know what my risk is before I actually start. Buy stop. So I'm going to put my buy stop a few pips above here, but you can see the high of the prior day is also very close. So I'm going to do it a few pips above here really. So which is around 1.17367. 1.17367. And then my stop loss will be a few pips below here, 1.15417. 1.15417. I'm not going to put a take profit. I can, but I want it to run free. Place. So you can see, oh, I put the stop loss in the wrong place. So I can move it to bring it to the right place. So I can either put it here, or you can see this tiny swing here. It's a dodgy swing. Yeah, but that increases my risk, which now makes it $82. If I bring it back here, that will still be around my $67 risk. So that's fine. That's fine. Then the new order still 0.07 pending order, and I'm going to go for the sell stop. So my entry on the sell stop will be 1.1645. 1.1645. Okay, 1.1647, yeah, 45. Then my stop loss will be, I'll put the stop loss at the place I'm entering on this one. So 1.17367. Okay, place. Boom. So it's ready now for GBP USD. Then the next one is EuroCAD. Drag it and I drop it, and that's it here. Again, I'm gonna put my what size is this actually? So the size of this risk is about 43 pips. So I go back here for EuroCAD. 43 pips, and I want to risk 1%. Calculate 0.08. So 0.08 new order. Now it's because I'm recording this, I'm taking a bit of time. It should really take you less time. Buy stop 1.3612. 1.3612. Let's see what this is here. 3612. Okay, 1.3613. 1.3613. And then my stop loss will be 1.36716. 1.36716. So I place it. Oops, I put the wrong number there. 3613. 1.35. So that was where the error was. Boom. So that's it. That's my buy stop order placed. New order, and I'm gonna do sell stop pending order, sell stop, and my entry is gonna be 1.3571. 3571, and my stop loss will be 1.3613. 3613. Place. Boom. Ready on the second one. Then the third one is USD CHF. Ooh, USD CHF. Now I'm gonna because this is quite close to here, I'm gonna stop my entry here, my sell stop entry around here. All right, that's where I'm gonna put it. So let's go new order. Oh, first of all, let's check the size of my risk. There is 64 pips. 64 pips is the size of my risk. 64 pips, 1%, 0.05. So sell stop will be 96185. 96185 and is 0.05. 96185. Stop loss. Let's move this to the side. Stop loss will be, so you can either put your stop loss here or you put it around up there, but let's put it here. 96866. Yep. And then my buy pending order, new order, buy pending order, buy stop, and then my entry will be at 96866. 0.96866. 0.96866. and my stop loss will be 0.96185. Place. Boom. That's us ready now. So you can see now we have six trades: 2 for GBP USD, 2 for EURCAD, and 2 for USD CHF. Okay, so now we'll make a move. So let's see later what happens. Okay, just giving an update. Sorry about that. Right, so those of you that got into this trades with me, again, anyone who says the ERXGen Breakout system, they don't understand, it doesn't work, or things like that, simply do not know what they're doing. Please, 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 go back to the train. If you've not got it, it's $7, folks. I made it that way so that there is no excuse of someone not being able to afford it. But come on, folks, 4 days now. This is the 4th day, and it's going to be a profitable day today. In fact, I'm going to close all the trades now because it's what, 3 o'clock in Nigeria, 2 o'clock in the UK right now. There's no need being in any position right now. I'm just going to exit all the positions. But then take a look at this. So this is the first position is the ERXGen EURCAD. So this one earlier today, I had closed half of the position and moved my stop loss, but you can clearly see now it is still in profit. Clean trade, clean position. There was no argument about that, right? And that's profitable. Now let's go to GBP USD and see what that looks like. Okay, GBP USD, you can see again, and buy trade, again, clean trade, it's not moved a lot today. It's moved only 74% of its normal move in a day, but that's it here now. I'm going to close everything. It's in profit. $27 is in profit. So nicely done. How many pips? It's pulling back about 39, 40 pips. So it's not too bad. And then USD CHF. USD CHF again. No, it didn't threaten our stop loss. Nothing happened around there. Price just fell off. And you can see this one now is how many pips now? It moved about 160 pips. Right now it's about 140 pips. So, well, what a good day. I'm just going to shut all the trades down and then call it a day on the ERXGen. If you followed us this week, you would have been profitable this week, as it were. So let me shut all the trades down. Close, 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 and then delete, delete, delete. And that's it, done for the week, right? So if you followed us, let me show you. You can see all these trades were ERXGen breakout trades. So let's go custom period here, and let's just select this week. So let's just select this week from Monday till today, or till, yeah. Okay, can you see? It was profitable. Now, this is not a lot of money, as it were, but for some people, this is a week, making $100 in the week. That's not too bad. I took very little risk on this, but $100, $112 on the starting capital of about 2,200 is about 5% in the week. Now think about that. 112 divided by 2,250, something like that. So that would give me, yes, about 5% return on just one strategy, on a very simple beginner strategy. 5% for the week. Come on, folks. And I was not risking anything at all on this trade, on this trade. So yeah, you either stay on the sidelines and just be hoping for one day someone teaches you how to become a millionaire overnight, or you actually start doing what millionaires do, and that is to take action. So do what you've got to do, folks, and let's take this year, or end this year in a very good manner, good way for you. All right, let's catch up later. Have a good rest of the day, and a great weekend ahead. All right, you take care. Cheers. Oh, I came back to do a correction on something I said about the return on investment. So I said the return for the week was 5%. It wasn't actually on the ERXGen Breakout. It wasn't actually 5% on the ERXGen Breakout. It was about over 10% return for ERXGen Breakout. So if you go back to, so let's go back to last month, right? And that gives me the results from the 24th of October. So from 24th of October, that's the amount of money you made, right? On this account. But if we go back to custom, and oh, by the way, before I do that, so if we go to the beginning of this week, the beginning of this week was the 7th. So if you look at these trades from the 7th, the start time was 0000, which is at midnight on the 7th. So which means these were gap trades. So these ones you can see here were gap trades that we took on the 7th. Some of them didn't do well on the day, but for the ERXGen we didn't have any setup on Monday on the 7th. But then from the 8th, this is it now, 9:06, which is when we started to get into the trades for the ERXGen Breakout. So I'm just going to do the custom now to start from the 8th, and you will see what I mean. So 8th to today, and so you can see from, so it includes a trade from the 7th, still one of the gap trades, and that was minus 24. but then the rest, it also gives us a few more. So that was minus 24. Then you have some positives here, which excuse me, which equal about $18, a little bit $20. So there's still a minus 4 carryover into the ERXGen breakout trade. But if you go to the bottom now, you can see it's 261 instead of the 112 or something. So that's 261 on 2200, 2200, and that is about 11%, 11.8%, so close to 12% from the ERXGen breakout. Don't mess with this. It is consistent, and that's today. You can see the 11th again, opened around 9 o'clock, and you can see the trades here. Yesterday, same time. Okay, so I just wanted to make that correction without making this video too long. So it was about 10% return on that account. Okay, all right. We once again, you take care and have a great time ahead. All right, cheers, bye.